welcome to the Proper Pineapple. It's Holly, and today is a special day because, well, my hair was stuck on my glasses. Sorry guys. A special day because I'm releasing my third dowel pattern, and I'm super excited about it. This dowel was a surprise to me, actually. See, I had plans for releasing dowel patterns this year. I had plans to release the one I've already released, the Maggie dowel, which I love. I had plans to do a boy dowel, which will be coming sometime this year, and a mini dowel, which will be coming sometime this year, and a couple other random specialty dowels. Well, this one was a surprise because right around Christmas, a viewer, one of my wonderful pineapple people, contacted me to make a special custom order dowel for her daughter. And when she requested this dowel, she had a special request that I had never even thought of, and I was just like, okay, I have to make a pattern of this. So I went ahead and made the pattern, and I just could not wait to release it. So here we are. I've waited as long as I could because I was like, I just released the Maggie pattern. Should I really release another one so soon? But I was like, I can't wait any longer, you guys. I'm so excited. So what did my wonderful pineapple person request? She requested a mermaid for her daughter, which turned out amazing. It's adorable. I already sent that one to her, so I will be inserting photos here in a minute. So I went ahead and made another one to show here on the podcast. So without further ado, I want to introduce you to the Noelle mermaid doll. Isn't she cute, you guys? Look at the little fins. Look at these little fins instead of feet. So cute. Okay, so, and here's a picture of the Noelle doll that's already been gifted to the lovely person, or well, given to her, and I think her birthday's in March, so it hasn't been gifted yet. So please let us know how she likes the Noelle doll, but here it is. So cute. So, a few things we did differently with the mermaid. Obviously, she doesn't have feet, you guys. There's no legs. It's just a little mermaid tail with her fins. Now, she does have a spine in her. She does not have soles, obviously. So I will be selling the spine separately. It will be a new listing. It will be just the spine if you want to put a spine in her. Obviously, you do not have to. The spine is solely to keep her head upright like this. If you want her to be more like a rag doll and just kind of flop the head back because of the weight of the hair's heavy, that's fine. It's totally your choice. You could just get the pattern, just make the doll. You don't need the spine. But there will be a listing just for spines if you do want to make her kind of stand up like this. The second thing we did, which was my husband's idea, which is awesome. Okay, wait, quick side note. Isn't this bow amazing? My hubs, Mr. Pineapple, said it was too big for the doll's head. And I was like, there's no such thing as too big of a bow. I would rock this bow all day. But I guess my head's a little bigger than hers, so maybe it wouldn't be so weird. But okay, I don't care. It's so cute. So what we did was, normally we curl the doll's hair on a 1/2-inch dowel rod. And it gives a beautiful kind of flowy curl. We used 1/4-inch dowel rod. Look at these tight curls here. Look, this hair like stretches out. It's really long, but it just boop up into these tight curls. Let's see if I can get a close-up of that. Look at those tight curls, you guys. She is just covered in tight curls. I love it so much. I was so tempted to keep her, but I'm not going to. We'll talk about that in a moment. But look, she has beautiful, like tealy blue eyes. She's got earrings, of course, and this big, massive bow. I love it so much. I think she is so cute. What do you guys think? Cute? So adorable. I love her so much. So that's the big news. The pattern is up for sale. You can either use the links down below to go to my website and purchase the pattern, and excuse me, must have been some dust in the air. Or you can go to Ravelry, in my Ravelry store, and purchase the pattern. Her name is the Noelle doll. Like I said, she's so cute. I love her so much. Piece of lint, sorry. And if you do go to my store, you can also purchase just the spine without the soles, if you just want the spine. If you don't, like I said, no big deal. Make her how you want to make her. So, like I said, I made the original one and I already sent it off, but then I felt like I needed one to show here for you guys. So I made her. So what I'm going to be doing with her is, she is currently available for sale on theproperpineapple.com. So if you are interested in this very doll I'm holding right here, right now. Hello, Noelle. So cute. You can go over to the website and she is for sale. So you guys, I'm super excited. I hope you guys like the pattern. Please go check it out. Oh my gosh, I love, look at the hair. Like I said, we use the same technique I used in all my other ones. It's just the wooden rod is smaller, so it gave it tighter curls. And if you were to use a bigger rod, it would give you more wave instead of curls. Oh, I love it so much. I'm so addicted to the curly hair, you guys. But you don't have to do curly hair. You can just do straight hair on all of my doll patterns too, which would be super, super cute too. I just like the curls. I've always wanted curly hair, and I've been blessed with these gorgeous straight hair. I love my hair, but okay, I'm sorry. Tangent, you guys. So, the pattern is on Ravelry and at my store. You can purchase the spines at my store, and if you just want the doll, this very doll, she is up on the store right now. First come, first serve, guys. Sorry, but she is there. So, if you want her, buy her. I'll ship her right to you right away. Bye. So, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Bye!